Let's work on these two problems, guys. We've got to find the roots of the following quadratic equations, and we know the rules. Very easy. The first thing to do here, according to the rule, is find the product of the quotient of x squared and the constant, that is 1 into 10, which is 10 itself. Now, I will neglect the sign for now. What are the factors of 10? 10 can be written as simply 10 times 1 or 5 times 2. These are the two factors I am supposed to use to factorize this. Now, what's the next thing? Next thing what I do is find the sign of the constant, that is negative. If it is negative here, I got to subtract them. It means I have to do 10 minus 1, that is 9, and 5 minus 2, which is 3. See, we are all right. So now we understand 3 is what I have the middle term. That is it, guys. So how many factors which actually can give me 10? First thing. Second thing, subtract them. Why subtract them? Because of minus sign here. And out of these two guys, I can see 3 fits in this case. Beautiful. Now since guys a minus sign here, okay, since this guy is minus sign, I will take this to be negative and this to be positive. That's it. All right. So minus 2 and minus 5 into 2 is also negative 10. So these are my factors. This is exactly what I'm looking for. Okay. How do you factorize this? That's pretty simple. Split this guy. You get x squared minus 5x plus 2x minus 10 is equal to 0. That's it. So I can take x common out. I'll get x minus 5 and plus 2 common out, and x minus 5 is equal to 0. Now x minus 5 is a common factor here, and I get x plus 2 in this case. So I can equate this guy to 0, that is x minus 5 is equal to 0, then x is equal to 5. That's my first root. Likewise, I can equate x plus 2 is equal to 0, then x is equal to negative 2 is my second root. We got 2 roots. Beautiful. So go back to this guy. Here I can see I have to multiply these two guys, that is 2, 8 is 6, which is 12. So how many ways I can write 12 as? 12 can be written as 6 times 2 or 12 times 1 or 4 times 3. What's the next thing to do? Check this sign. This sign is negative. If this sign is negative, I got to subtract the factors. So I need to do 6 minus 2, that is 4, or I can do 12 minus 1, which is 11, or 4 minus 3, which is 1. Now come back to the middle term. I have 1 here. So we understand, very simple. I have 1 here. That's what the middle term. So now I have a positive sign, so the bigger guy should be positive. So these are my factors, and I can take this to be negative, which is negative 12. So we got this guy, negative 12. That's it, guys. These are the rules. Very simple rules. This sign and this sign is really important after we split. Okay. Now use these guys and see what happens. Split the middle term. That is 2x squared plus 4x minus 3x minus 6 is equal to 0. That is it. So what's common out here is 2x. You can get x plus 2. Now see, you have to get x plus 2 here, otherwise your problem will be wrong. So just write x plus 2 again and see what you have to write here. So 3 times x is 3x. We got it. And you have a negative sign, so write a negative sign. That's how we can actually do a little bit of manipulation in mathematics. That's equal to 0. You get x plus 2 common out, and you get x, 2x minus 3. Now equate this to 0. X plus 2 is 0, and also 2x minus 3 is 0. However, x is negative 2 here, then x is 3 over 2, and these are the possible roots we have. That is it.